3M Novik coatings, conformal coatings, and parylene coating users, it's time to replace your discontinued, outdated, toxic, and non-compliant PFA coatings with NanoFlowX VX3. Don't wait until 2025 to comply with PFA's regulations in Europe and United States. VX3 is free from forever chemicals known as PFAs, greatly reducing environmental and health risks. VX3's application process is quick. No specialized equipment is required. No masking components. Simply dip for 5 seconds, drain, and then heat at 90 degrees Celsius for 5 minutes, saving you time and money. VX3 offers superior IP68 protection against water and dust, as well as humidity, corrosion, gases, and bacteria. Has UV trace available and helps increase the lifespan of your electronics. Upgrade to NanoFlowX VX3 Non-PFAS Coating. To switch, learn more, schedule a meeting, or get free testing, visit nanoflowx.com/VX3.